Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve delay on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve delay on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook app and you can click in this page here as you see, and you will enter to this window. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to your storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to